Hello everyone. I am Dr. Deveshri Kerzhare, Assistant Professor, Kamla College of Pharmacy, Buttibori. I am here to deliver a video on molecular docking. These are the contents. At the end of this video, you are very much able to understand what is meant by molecular docking, what are the types of docking, what are the key steps of docking, what are the softwares of docking, applications and its references. So molecular docking it is an attempt to find the best matching between two molecules. Before moving ahead, I want to explain you that molecular docking is the computational tool. Suppose we have a thousand library of thousand molecules, and if we want to choose which molecules are choice of interest and which are not, so for that purpose we have to perform molecular docking on that molecules. In this method we are docked that thousand molecules on the receptor, and from their interaction with the receptors along with its docking score, it is very much able to understand which molecules are important and which are not. So molecular docking is a bioinformative modeling which involves the interaction of two or more molecules to give a stable adduct. So docking is also a method which predicts the preferred orientation of one ligand when bound in an active site to form a stable complex. You can see in this picture when target, that is a receptor which is present in the body, is going to bind with the ligand, it forms a very stable adduct or a complex, and the process is called as molecular docking. So docking of a small molecule ligand with a protein receptor target to produce a complex. And in this case, the ligand is a substance which forms a complex with a biomolecule to serve a biological response. So lock and key is one of the model which explains the molecular docking. It is finding a correct relative orientation of the key which will open up the lock. On the surface of the lock is the key hole. In which direction to turn the key after it is inserted depending upon the docking. So you can see in this picture there is one key and one lock. So protein-protein docking, lock and key analogy explains when the key, which is also called as a ligand, and a lock, which is also called as a receptor, going to bind with each other and produce a biological response. So aim of molecular docking is to achieve an optimized conformation for both receptor and ligand and the relative orientation between protein and ligand such that the free energy of the overall system is minimized. A successful docking method search high dimensional spaces effectively and use a scoring function that correctly ranks candidates docking. You can see in this picture when a ligand is going to bind with the receptor or the target and forms a very stable complex along with the more interactions and minimum scoring function. So importance of molecular docking is prediction of the binding affinity, which is also denoted by the scoring function, identification of the ligand's correct binding geometry in the binding site, also called as the binding mode, to produce a rational design of the drug. Means strategy of creating a new molecules which may produce a very good biological response. There are two types of docking, rigid docking also called as lock and key model, and another one is the flexible docking also called as the induced field. In rigid docking, the internal geometry of both the receptor and ligands are treated as a rigid. So bond angle, bond length and torsion angle of the components are not modified at any stage of the complex generation. While in flexible docking, an enumeration on the rotation of one of the molecules, usually a smaller one, is performed. Every rotation the energy is calculated and later the most optimum pose is selected. So it can again of three types: protein ligand, protein protein and protein nucleotide. When it is a protein ligand type of molecular docking, so ligand is going to bind with the target and produce a complex. When it is between protein-protein, two proteins going to bind with each other. When it is a protein nucleotide of docking, the ligand, that is the small molecules, going to bind with the DNA and forms a ligand DNA complex. So this strategy can be used in the designing of anti-cancer agents also. So types of interaction: when a ligand is going to bind with the receptor, it produces an interaction along with the different types of forces. So first one is the electrostatic force. The forces with the electrostatic origin are due to the charges residing in the matter. Electrodynamic forces are widely known in probably the van der Waals interaction. Steric forces, these are caused by the entropy. For example, in case where entropy is limited, there may be forces to minimize the free energy of the system. Solvent-related forces, these are due to the structural changes of the solvent. These structural changes are generated when ions, colloids, proteins are added into the structure of a solvent. The most commonly are hydrogen bond and hydrophobic interactions. So this is all about the types of interaction. These are the key steps of docking. First one is the target selection. First we have to select the target, that is the receptor on which we have to bind the ligand. After that, its preparation in the software itself. Then ligand selection, whether it is a synthesized molecule, small molecules, or whether it is from the database. So preparation of the ligand also done. And lastly, we have to perform a docking with the help of software and evaluating the docking results based on their interaction, that which type of interaction, whether it is a hydrogen bonding, whether it is a hydrophobic, whether it is a steric or charge-charge interaction. So depending upon the type of interaction between them and their scoring function, we have to decide which molecules are important. Receptor selection and preparation, we have to build the receptor from, we can download the receptor directly from the PDB, that is the protein data bank, which is a freely available database. The available structure should be processed. The receptor should be biologically active and stable. We have to identify the active sites. Then we have to prepare a ligand. We can choose directly ligand from the database like Zinc, PubChem, or can sketch using the tool ChemSketch or ChemDraw. Then we have to perform the docking and scoring function, which are generated depending on which the best fit ligand is selected. So for performing this molecular docking, there are a number of software which are some freely available and which are we have to purchase, or we have to purchase a licensed version. So Sanjeevani, Gold, Autodock, JameDock, Hex Protein Docking, Gram, Autodock Vina. Autodock is a freely available software. So we can use these softwares for performing a molecular docking. These are the applications: virtual screening, hit identification. Docking with a scoring function can be used to quickly screen large databases of potential drugs in silico to identify molecules that are likely to bind to protein target of interest. Drug discovery, we can use molecular docking in the drug discovery process also. And this information of drug discovery in turn we use to design the more potent and selective analogs. Then bioremediation, protein ligand docking can also be used to predict the pollutants that can be degraded by enzymes. So these are the references. Thank you.